In this video, I'm going to walk you through using the Comparing Proper Fractions flowchart to help you compare two fractions. You can see that along the way you will be asked questions in blue, and then you will answer yes or no, and then depending on your answer, it will give you a strategy to use to help you compare the fractions. Let's start with example 1. In example 1, I'm comparing 3/8 and 2/8. So I will start at the top of my flowchart. Are the denominators the same? Yes, 8 and 8 are the same. So I will apply the rule: when fractions have the same denominator, the fraction with the larger numerator is greater. So 3 is greater than 2/8. In this second example, I'm going to compare 5/6 to 5/10. Again, I'm starting at the top. Are the denominators the same? 6 and 10 are not the same, so the answer is no. Are the numerators the same? Yes, 5 and 5 are the same. So then I will apply the rule: when fractions have the same numerator, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. 6 is less than 10, so 5/6 is greater than 5/10. In example 3, we are comparing 3/4 and 1/6. Starting at the top, are the denominators the same? No, 4 and 6 are not the same. So, are the numerators the same? No, 3 and 1 are not the same. Ask, is the benchmark strategy a good choice? Yes, one of my fractions is more than 1/2 and the other is less than 1/2. If I'm working with fourths, half of 4/4 is 2/4. And if I'm working with sixths, half of 6/6 is 3/6. 3/4 is greater than 2/4, and 1/6 is less than 3/6. So I know that 3/4 is greater than 1/6. In this final example, I am going to compare 2/5 and 3/8. Starting at the top, are the denominators the same? No, 5 and 8 are not the same. Are the numerators the same? No, 2 and 3 are not the same. Ask, is the benchmark strategy a good choice? No, both are smaller than 1/2. I need to find common denominators and make equivalent fractions. So in step 1, I'm going to find the least common multiples of the denominators. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. The least common multiple is 40, so I will make equivalent fractions with the denominator 40. That is in step 2. So 2/5 becomes 16/40, and 3/8 becomes 15/40. Now I can apply the rule for when denominators are the same and see that 16/40 is greater than 15/40, so 2/5 is greater than 3/8.